Welcome to JH. Thinking about starting your trading journey with Saxo Bank? Let's break down whether this broker is actually right for beginners or just a fancy way to feel confused in multiple currencies. First, the good news. Saxo has a trust score of 99 out of 99, making it one of the most reliable brokers on the planet. It's a real bank with solid regulations, meaning your money is safer than a secret in a small town. They also require zero minimum deposit to start, which is great for those of us whose investment capital is currently living in a piggy bank. The platform offers a massive spread of markets, stocks, bonds, forex, and ETFs. If it's tradable, they probably have it. Their fees are surprisingly competitive too. Trading €1,000 worth of ETFs costs just €2. That's less than a mediocre latte, and arguably a much better use of your money. But here is where the honeymoon ends for the average beginner. The platform is incredibly complex. Using Saxo as a novice is like handing a Formula One car to someone who just got their learner's permit. Sure, it's powerful, but you're probably going to crash into a wall of technical indicators. The interface is packed with buttons, charts, and options that professional traders live for, but will likely leave you wondering if you accidentally opened a flight simulator. Even their simpler Saxo investor platform carries higher costs than beginner-friendly alternatives like Trading 212. Another deal-breaker for some is the lack of fractional shares. If a stock costs $150 and you only have 100, your money just sits there doing absolutely nothing, much like my motivation on a Monday morning. So, is Saxo Bank good for beginners? Well, it depends. If you're a glutton for punishment and serious about mastering advanced trading, the platform is rock solid and trustworthy. But if you just want to invest regularly without a headache, you might want to look elsewhere first. You can always come back to Saxo once you actually know what all those shiny buttons do. Remember, the best broker is the one you'll actually use without needing a stiff drink afterward. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more reality checks.